Winter's over, but how did your roof hold up after months of snow, ice, and wind? And how can you catch small problems with your home before they turn into costly repairs? In this video, we'll walk you through a simple after winter checklist so you know what to look for as the weather warms up. By the end, you'll be confident in checking your own home and know when to call a pro. Hi, I'm Billy with Hoel Roofing Remodeling, and today I want to give you a checklist of things that you can go over on your home and be ready for spring as the weather warms. First thing you should look at is the overall condition of your roof. Go outside, take a look. Does anything look out of place? Are your shingles flat? Or is there bulging anything? If you have a metal roof, does everything look like it's supposed to be, like it did in the spring before it started to get cold? Second, are your gutters clear of debris? Are they still attached to the home the way that were before the snow came? A lot of times snow can impact gutters. It can pull them off of the house. So you want to take a look at that and make sure that everything is attached the way that it's supposed to be. Also take a look at your downspouts. Make sure that they're free of clutter and debris so that the water can flow and evacuate the gutter system properly. Number 3, if you're able, get up in your attic. Make sure that it's relatively dry and mold free. Make sure that there's a significant temperature change between the temperature in the house and the temperature in the attic. The temperature in the attic should be about 10 degrees warmer than the ambient temperature outside. If that's not the case, then you may have an insulation issue, may not have enough insulation, and that will cause warm air to be trapped in the attic and potentially set the conditions for mold. You want to get up in there and just kind of feel things around, make sure that everything looks and feels like it's ventilating properly. Number 4, do you see any damaged flashing? Flashing typically goes around chimneys. On your rakes, you'll have drip edge. You want to make sure that those areas are free of rust, they're intact, they're in place, and doing their job. And number 5, are your soffit and fascia boards in good shape? What you want to look for there is rot, nesting animals. If the paint's peeling, it indicates age and wear and tear. And you want to check that at the end of a long winter to make sure that everything's in place and doing what it's supposed to do. Spring is the perfect time to make sure that your roof is ready for the year ahead, and catching things now can save you from a hefty repair bill this summer. If you'd like a printable version of this checklist, we've linked it in the description below. Or give us a call at 765-561-4023 and one of our pros will come out and give you a free inspection. Either way, we're here to help your home recover from winter the right way.